everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Edge.
In this quick video, I will show you how to log into Kikoff account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then, on the address bar, search for kikoff.com. Now, when you land on the official website, on the right side you will see login option. Tap on it. Here, you have to fill out this form to log into your account, or you can also use continue with Google option available there. We are using email option 1. So first of all, simply enter your registered email. Then enter your password. If you forgot your password, then you can simply tap on forgot password and you can do same for the email. If you forgot your email address, then tap on forgot email option. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, at last simply tap on login option available there. And you will be successfully logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.